Getting ready to cook my greens for Thanksgiving. Look at all my greens I harvest over this year. And still have more out there growing. God is good. Yes, He is. God is good. All the time. And all the time, God is good. Okay, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I'm in the kitchen this morning, getting ready to cook my collard greens and mustard greens for Thanksgiving. This is from my harvest from Big Mama's garden that was frozen in my freezer. Got a lot of packs and still got a lot still left in the freezer and more to harvest for the rest of the year. Oh yes, it's gonna be good. Gonna go with some smoked turkey necks as the meat. My family trying to get away from a lot of pork, so I decided I'd get some smoked turkey necks and put in there. One of my daughters don't eat meat at all, but I'm getting ready to get this together. Let my greens thaw out some. Getting it ready to go into the pot. I'll add some onions and some jalapeno peppers in there for some seasoning. They're gonna taste great. Yes, they are. I'm chopping up some of my onions to go into with my smoked turkey neck to get this hot liquor together here. I have to let this cook for a little while. Get the meat tender where it'll come off that bone. I can pull that meat off. Try not to have the bones all up in my collard greens. Starting to smell good already. I added some water in here so I can get the pot liquor going in here with the smoked turkey necks and the onions and the other seasoning that I'm going to add to it. And then the greens come into the pot. So it's going to be a little while. Let me cook this meat down. And then I'll add the greens in here. Okay, I need to let my frozen greens thaw out a little more before I put them in the pot. I already had cut them in half when I froze them, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to split them apart here and let them be able to thaw out a little more better. Even though I could probably just put them in the pot frozen and they'll just get cooked down in all of that good pot liquor. Let me get busy dividing these greens up and getting them ready to go into the pot. Okay, I have my greens thawing out here waiting to get put in the pot. Got my collard greens and some mustard greens in here. Chop up my jalapeno peppers. Then everything's gonna go into the pot. Yes, it is.